Good morning students. So today we are back with the next exercise of this chapter, that is a miscellaneous exercise. Now here you can see that we are not discussing about question number 1 to 8 because question number 1 and 2 we have done with the exercise 2.1 and 3 to 8 are the identity based question. So let us start with the next question of this exercise, that is question number 9. Now students, question number 9, 10 and 11, 12. These four questions are prove that type. So here we have to prove in the question number 9, that is tan inverse of root x is equals to half of cos inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now for what we can do for this term, okay, we are starting from RHS, that I hope you understood because it is the bigger term. Here single term, so we have to think so much. So that's why we are starting from RHS. Now students, let me recall one formula. We have a formula for cos 2 theta, that is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, right? So if we suppose x is equal to tan square theta, then here we will got cos 2 theta. So let me start with the x is equals to tan square theta. Then if you are taking square root, then root x is equals to tan theta. So theta is equals to tan inverse of root x. Now let me substitute this value here. So it is RHS is equals to 1 half cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So we will get 1 by 2 cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Now you understood, we have taken x is equals to tan square theta. So that's why we are getting the terms cos 2 theta. Okay, we are getting the formula in the terms of tan square. But which formula? Cos 2 theta. So hence we are getting 1 by 2 cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Now 1 by 2, cos inverse and cos are the inverse function of each other. Therefore their composition will give us identity. So 2 theta will remain as it is. So 1 by 2, 2 theta. That is equals to theta. So that is theta is a tan inverse of root x. You can see here theta is equals to tan inverse of root x, and that is our LHS. So easy, question number 9 is proved. So let me see question number 10. So now what is the question number 10? 10 is cot inverse of under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x is equals to x by 2, where x belongs to close open interval 0 to pi by 4. Now students, let me simplify this. So we know that here 1 plus sin x and 1 minus sin x. तो इसका हमें पहले simplification करना है. So 1 plus sin x हम कैसे करते हैं? तो at the place of 1 we should put cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. As this is the sin x, so we can apply the formula for sin 2 theta, where theta is equals to here x by 2. So 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now this is the expansion of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay, so we are getting this. So under root of 1 plus sin x will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, now similarly you can find out under root of 1 minus sin x. So what can be 1 minus sin x? So here you will get minus. That means here we get minus. So we are getting under root of 1 minus sin x will be same like this, only here plus, then here minus. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now let me start with the LHS. So our LHS is cot inverse of 1 plus sin x plus under root of 1 minus sin x upon under root of 1 plus sin x minus under root of 1 minus sin x. So let me substitute the value. तो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके क्या मिल रहा है हमें? कॉट इनवर्स इन अ ब्रैकेट cos x by 2 प्लस sin x by 2 प्लस cos x by 2 माइनस sin x by 2. जब डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होगा? cos x by 2 प्लस sin x by 2 माइनस cos x by 2 एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस sin x by 2. तो यहाँ से न्यूमरेटर में से sin x by 2 is cut from the denominator, cos x by 2 and cos x by 2 cut. So therefore we are getting cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. 2 cut, cos upon sin, cot, So cot inverse into cot x by 2. Cot inverse and cot is identity function. Okay, therefore we will get x by 2. Cot inverse into cot, that is a identity function. So it is x by 2. So done. Now remember student, this is the similar question. Here they can ask you at the place of cot, they can give you tan. If they give tan inverse, then just रिवर्स दिस फॉर्मूला. यहाँ पे हमने cos x by 2 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर लिखा है, तो यहाँ पे आप लिख लीजिए साइन स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर, देन यू गेट साइन प्लस कॉस. ओके, और यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा, साइन माइनस कॉस. एंड व्हेन यू कैन अप्लाई दिस टाइप ऑफ टर्म, तो हियर यू विल गेट tan x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x by 2, so you will get x by 2. Okay students, so here you can simplify it in the form of tan also. Okay, so according to your question you can change this. Now I hope you understood this question. Now let me see with the next question, question number 11. Now question number 11 is, prove that tan inverse of under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x upon under root of 1 plus x plus under root of 1 minus x is equals to pi by 4 minus half cos inverse of x. So here I am just to give you the hint what to do here. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is a 2 sin square theta. ये फॉर्मूला हमें पता है, तो यहाँ पे x की जगह पे क्या हम चूज कर सकते हैं, cos 2 theta. So if we take x is equals to cos theta, cos 2 theta, then 2 theta is equals to cos inverse of x, and hence you will get theta is equals to half of cos inverse of x. So now you can see what to do. Under root of 1 plus x, that is under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is the formula 2 cos square theta, and if we are taking square root, then it is a under root 2 cos theta. Similarly, under root of 1 minus x. So here you get under root of 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. And when you are taking the square root, you will get under root 2 sin theta. Now just substitute this value in your LHS. So LHS is tan inverse under root of 1 plus x, that is what is the 1 plus x, root 2 cos theta, minus under root 1 minus, so minus under root 2 sin theta. नीचे under root 2 cos theta plus under root 2 sin theta. Here under root 2 is common in all the four terms, so it will be common and cut by the all. So here we get tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. Now students, remember we have seen one question in the exercise 2.2. This type of question we have simplified. So what we have to do here, cos theta is common from the numerator and the denominator. So here you get 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Here you get 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, and this cos is common from both, so it will cut. So you will get tan inverse of 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Now here nothing is there, so I have written here 1. 1 plus 1 into tan theta. Now what we will do, we will apply the formula for 1. तो 1 का tan के फॉर्म में फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, tan pi by 4, या फिर 1 की वैल्यू क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, tan pi by 4. So here you get tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Now students, which is this formula? This is the formula for inside formula. You can see this is the formula for tan alpha minus beta. Have you remember students? It is the formula for tan alpha minus beta. tan alpha minus beta की फॉर्मूला क्या थी, tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. यहाँ पे अल्फा की जगह पे हमारे पास है pi by 4 और बीटा की जगह पे है थीटा. So here we are getting tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus theta. You can see here tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. Again, tan inverse and tan are the inverse of each other. Therefore, therefore its composition will give us identity, and hence you will get the same angle here. So pi by 4 minus theta. Now pi by 4 minus theta की वैल्यू आप देख लीजिए, तो क्या है वहाँ पे 1/2 cos inverse of x. So this is the RHS. Now students, question number 12. So question number 12 is an identity based question. So here the solution I have done. So I am just scrolling this solution. You can see actually this is the identity based question. So if you will not solve then also no problem. But if you want to solve then here the solution. Okay, what we have done? First we have transposed the 9π/4 sin inverse on the RHS. You can see then 9/4 I have taken common. So only this term I have to simplify. तो मैंने क्या किया है sin inverse of 1/3 इज इक्वल थीटा करके उसको tan के अंदर cos के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर लिए. So cos theta is equals to 2√2/3. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse of this. And then if you are putting here, then it is the formula for pi/2. This will gives us pi/2 because cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of x is equals to pi/2. So you will get 9/4 into pi/2. So 9π/8. So hence it is solved. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is the solution. Find the solution of the following. So let me see this question. Cos 2 theta that is equals to solution, that means we have to find out the value of x. So here 2 tan inverse of cos x is equals to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Now ये इक्वेशन अगर आपको सॉल्व करें फॉर देन सॉल्यूशन के लिए दो मेथड हैं. आपके पास एक आइडेंटिटी है 2 tan inverse of x. So here I have written the formula. This is the formula for 2 tan inverse of x is cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So ये एक फॉर्मूला आप यहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हो. अगर नहीं करना है आपको तो डायरेक्ट भी हो सकता है इक्वेशन. So this question can be considered as a identity based question. But as this question can solve without identity also, so I am giving you the proof without identity. We are not using any identity here. So let me start. Here I have taken tan inverse of cos x is equals to theta. So we are getting cos x is equals to tan theta. Now cos x is equals to tan theta. So here मैंने cos को इस साइन tan थीटा के फॉर्म में, तो साइन को भी मैं tan में फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करूँ. तो व्हाट इज योर sin x? अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर दैट इज अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर. अगर साइन को आपको cosec में कन्वर्ट करना है तो cosec इज 1 अपॉन साइन, सो 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो वी आर गेटिंग हियर 2 into theta is equals to tan inverse 2 upon under root 1 minus tan square theta. But as we know that if theta is equals to tan inverse of x, then tan theta is equals to x. So tan inverse we can transpose here and it will become tan 2 theta. So we are getting tan 2 theta is equals to 2 upon under root 1 minus tan square theta. Now students, you can see this under root is still extra for us. So that's why we are doing square on both sides. So when we are squaring both sides, we will get here tan square 2 theta, here 4 upon 1 minus tan square theta, because यहाँ से आपका स्क्वायर रूट निकल जा रहा है. नाउ tan 2 थीटा की फॉर्मूला हमारे पास है 2 tan थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस tan square theta होल स्क्वायर. So here we get 4 upon 1 minus tan square theta, the same term here. Now 1 minus tan square and 1 minus tan square, so एक एक term cancel हो जाएगा. So let me write down it again. So 2 square 4, tan theta square theta and 1 minus tan square theta square is equals to 4. Same term copy किया यहाँ पे. Now 4 is cut and from the denominator 1 minus tan square will be cut 1. So here you get tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So tan square theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta. So here we get 2 tan square theta is equals to 1. So tan square theta is equals to 1/2. So tan theta is equals to plus or minus 1 by under root 2. Okay, tan theta is equals to plus or minus 1 by under root 2. So here that's why we can get cos x is equals to plus or minus 1 by under root 2. Now as they have given us that x is positive, so therefore cos here cos x is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2 and tan theta की भी वैल्यू आपको यहाँ पे मिल रही है. So here x is equals to pi by 4. Okay, x is equals to pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4, but x is defined on tan, therefore the value will be belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So x is equals to pi by 4. Okay, so let me start with the next question. Now next question is question number 14. Okay, so question number 14 is find the solution of tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equals to 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. So what we will solve here? Okay, now tan inverse of 1 minus x is equals to 1 by 2. So this 2 I am transposed here. So we will get 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equals to tan inverse of x. So now x I am keeping here and tan inverse I am transpose here. So tan inverse है तो यहाँ पे transpose होके क्या मिलेगा हमें function tan 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Suppose tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x जो अंडर वाला टर्म है ना वो हम थीटा सपोज कर रहे हैं. So you will get x is equals to tan 2 थीटा. तो tan 2 थीटा की फॉर्मूला भी हमें पता है. लेट वी अप्लाई दिस. तो 2 tan थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर थीटा. Now 2 into tan theta. What is your theta? Tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. और ये क्या है 1 minus tan square theta. So tan square can be written as tan theta whole square. So I am written here 1 minus tan theta. Theta क्या है? Tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole square. Now tan and tan inverse vanish. Tan and tan inverse identity. So this will go. So you will get 2 into 1 minus x upon 1 plus x upon 1 minus x and 1 plus x whole square. So let me simplify this. So after the simplification you are getting, let me discuss this. 2 into 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Here 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x whole square. So 1 plus x is cut and 1 remaining 1 plus x we can take on the numerical. So here 2 into 1 minus x plus 1 plus x और इन दोनों को हम स्प्लिट एक्सपांड कर लेते हैं. So this is 1 plus 2x plus x square minus 1. Middle term will be minus 2. So minus plus 2x minus x square. So जब हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं so plus 1 and minus 1 cut, x square and x square is cut and 1 minus x and 1 plus x. So 1 minus x square. So here we have 1 minus x square upon 4x. तो यहाँ से 2 कट हो रहा है. So you are getting x is equals to 1 half 1 minus x upon 1 plus x upon x. Okay, यहाँ पे x ऑलरेडी था हमारे पास. So this will gives x is equals to 1 half 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. तो ये जो 2x है वो यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा शिफ्ट करेंगे. So it is 2x into x 2x square और ये क्या रचेगा 1 minus x square. So it is x square we can shift here. So 3x square is equals to 1. So x square is equals to 1 by 3. So x is equals to plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Okay, x is equals to plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Now what is our x? X is equals to plus or minus 1 by under root 3. We get x is equals to plus or minus 1 by under root 3. This I have written wrong, so I have cut it here. So this will imply that x is equals to 1 by under root 3. Why we are taking? Because in the question the condition is given x is greater than 0. So x is equals to 1 by under root 3. So I hope you understood, student. Now let me see equation number 15. Now 15, 16 and 17. These three equations are MCQs are there. So let me solve this. Find the value of sine tan inverse of x. So if we take tan inverse of x is equals to theta, then sine theta can become, from here I am just taking the triangle. So x1, so sin theta can be x upon under 1 plus x square. This I hope you understood, because x is equals to tan theta. So opposite side is x and adjacent side is 1, and your hypotenuse will be under root of 1 plus x square. Then you get sin theta is equals to x upon under root 1 plus x square. So what we are taking, theta is equals to tan inverse of x. So here what you will get from here, theta is equals to sin inverse of x upon under root 1 plus x square, right? So here what we are taking, sin theta. So sin theta is equals to this. So sin theta की प्लेस में हम लिखेंगे sin inverse of x upon under root 1 plus x square. Sin and sin inverse are inverse of each other, so it can be vanished. So your answer is x upon under root 1 plus x square. Okay, so no identity use. So this is the question based on the definition and the previous year's concept. Okay, so your answer is option C. Now question number 16. So let me see this. Question number 16 is sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. So what we are doing here, sin inverse of 1 minus x, ये जो minus 2 sin inverse है उसको हम यहाँ पे transpose कर रहे हैं. So this will become pi by 2 plus sin 2 sin inverse of x. So 1 minus x is equal to sin pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of x. So 1 minus x is equals to pi by 2 plus theta. तो sin pi by 2 plus theta क्या होता है हमारे पास, that is equals to cos theta. So ये हो जाएगा cos और theta की जगह पे ये है हमारे पास. So 2 sin inverse of x. Okay, so let sin inverse of x is equals to theta. So you are getting cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta की फॉर्मूला क्या होगी, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this is 1 minus 2 sin theta whole square. थीटा आपके पास क्या है, sin inverse of x. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So from here I can write down x is equals to sin theta, right? So here cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this is directly can written 1 minus 2x square. अगर ये आगे नहीं करना, डायरेक्टली आपको मिल रहा है 1 minus 2x square. So now let we start with this here solution. So 1 minus x is equals to cos this. So इसका हमने वैल्यू क्या निकाला यहाँ से सॉल्यूशन करके, 1 minus 2x square. So therefore we are having 1 minus x is equals to 1 minus 2x square. Now 1 and 1 is cut. So 2x square minus x is equals to 0. So from here you can see x is common. So remaining is 2x minus 1. Okay, यहाँ से हम x कॉमन निकाल रहे हैं तो 2x minus 1 बचेगा, that is equals to 0. तो अगर आप इसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो your answer is x is equals to 0 और 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore here the answer is option A. Okay, in the question number 16 you will get the option A as the correct option. Now let me see the next question. I hope you understood this question, student. Here also we are not using any identity, we are doing it directly solution. Okay, actually this question, all the questions can be used by the identity too. Okay, but as here it is not given, so here what you can do, sin inverse of 1 minus x is equals to minus 2 sin inverse of x. इसको आप cos में convert करके देख सकते हो. So you can get that here value of x. Now let me see the next question. Now question number 17 is purely identity based question, because the question is tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y upon x plus y is equals to question mark. Okay, so here what you have to do, we will solve here like this, tan inverse of x minus alpha minus beta, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Okay, हियर वन फॉर्मूला वी आर हैविंग, सो ये फॉर्मूला हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं tan इनवर्स ऑफ x माइनस वाई अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स वाई। तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके अगर हम सॉल्यूशन निकाल रहे हैं, सो वी आर गेटिंग दिस, so tan inverse of 1, and we know that value of tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So here your answer is option C. So hence this is the solution for the miscellaneous. Okay, I hope you understood that which type of question are there which are considered as a identity based question, which questions are based on the definition and the previous concept of the chapter. So please students, study well, just check all the questions, how to solve it. Whichever question are solved with the identity, that we will not consider. Okay, otherwise other questions we have to solve, okay, for your board exam. So prepare this question chapter very carefully. Just go to the NCERT. Till that, just prepare well. Thank you and have a nice day.